Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and I just thought I would come in here and make a quick video for our Fun Friday of all the stuff I got makeup wise from Black Friday. And I think it's all from Ulta and then a couple of things from Walmart. So let's start with this. It's a 10. This bad boy I got from Ulta. It was on sale during I don't remember how much. It was $18.99 and it's regularly like $29 or more. So I got one of these. I didn't really need it yet, but I knew it wasn't going to be that price anywhere else anytime soon. I love this stuff. I use it all the time. Every time I wash my hair, I put this in. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's called It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, and I love this stuff. My hair would be so frizzy, and actually right now, I washed my hair this morning, and then I let it air dry almost all the way, and then I blow dried it. I was going to curl it, and I just haven't done it yet. So as you can see, it's a little bit frizzy, but it's nothing compared to what it would be without this stuff. This stuff is the bomb. So I also got another one of these, the Grande Lash, because I use this stuff religiously. Although I've heard that the Babe Lash is really good too. But I bought one of these during the Sephora sale, and then it was even off more during this Black Friday at Ulta. So I got another one. So I'm pretty much set up. So if you try that Babe Lash, let me know, especially if you've already tried this and you know if that's better. Not that I would buy it right now anyways, because I am stocked up. Anyways, that's the second thing I got. And then this was on sale too for a super good price. I think it was $23. That's what I paid for it. And I don't remember how much it was, but it was a lot more. This is the new Oma. I don't know how to say this. Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. And I thought this will be good for our hot flash and wrinkles makeup. So this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty frosted bottle. I got the color. I had to order it online, so you never know. Shake well before use. Fair Lady. T1N. So this is a neutral color. I haven't even tried it yet to see. It looks pretty good. It feels like the pump's coming off there. Ooh, I didn't shake it good enough. Anyways, it looks like the color's going to be good though after I shake it. I thought I shook it. Didn't I shake it? Obviously, I didn't shake it. I had a wipe. I'm out of wipes. That was my last one. So I need to get some quick. Let's shake it up really, really good and see if it's still that thin. I just did this whole video and I think I forgot to turn my mic on. So I'm going to have to redo them. Oh, look at that. It's still really thin. I don't know if I'm going to like this. Yeah, it's like water. And it disappears like water. I'm pretty sure it's not shook up enough, but that was a lot of shaking for it not to get shook up. Let's just take the lid off and see if it comes out all super thin. It's not that bad. It's a bit thin. Why is it pumping out water? And getting everywhere. It's very messy now because it's drooled down into here. I can't stand this. I haven't even used it yet. All right. Anyways, we're going to try this on... Gosh, it got all over in here too. How are you supposed to shake it up if it's going to squirt out? Well, if you get this, make sure you put the lid on it before you shake it because it's going to fly out. Anyways, we will try this in one of our Hot Flash Makeup Mondays because this is a new brand at Ulta. Okay, and then Tati and I think it was Casey Holmes both love the Wet n Wild translucent powder. So I got some. I haven't tried it or anything. See, it's not even open. It's still sealed. Anyways, I needed a good one for when we do all drugstore, because I really didn't have it. I like the IT Cosmetics. I like the Laura Mercier. You know, I have both of those, but I didn't have anything good from the drugstore. Although I did have my Essence. Was it Essence Banana? That's what we used last time. And I used to use that all the time, so yeah. Essence Brighten Up. I used to use this all the time. But now I also got the e.l.f. finishing powder. This is supposed to be like the Charlotte Tilbury. Or no. I don't know what that's supposed to be like. It's supposed to be really good for your under eyes, so I got it. And I got the number 7 Triple Action Lift and Illuminate Translucent Finishing Powder. This one is the one that I think is supposed to be like the Charlotte Tilbury, which I've never tried the Charlotte Tilbury, so, you know. But Jessica Braun loves it, so it must be good, right? Because she wouldn't tell me it was great if it wasn't great. Okay, what else did I get? I got this Milani bronzer, because Allie Glines said she loved it. This was her favorite one. So I got this. Let's just swatch this guy and see. I hope it's like a cooler tone. That's what I think she said, because that's what made me think of it. As all the ones I have tend to pull orange. Oh yeah, that's pretty. You can't see it very much, but that's the good part of it, is that you can't. Oh, it smells good too. Not as good as the Physicians Formula though. So I got that. I also got this. I know Casey Holmes said she loved. This is the Benefit highlighter in Cookie, and it's so pretty. I tried it in the store. I mean, I swatched it. See the swatch? It's gorgeous. Let's try it next to that bronzer. See it? Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Whoops, there it is. So pretty, and it doesn't sink into lines, accentuate. That's what she said. It doesn't accentuate lines or texture. So I'm like, oh yeah, I'm all about that. So I had to have it. And I thought, what perfect timing to get it. Actually, she said it afterwards. I think I got this one after Black Friday, so I paid regular price for that one. But it was still part of this haul. It just wasn't Black Friday. So I guess it wasn't part of that order on Black Friday, but it's between now and then. You know what I mean? And somebody said this was so good, and I can't remember who said it. This is the Brow Volume and Sculpt Gel from Makeup Revolution. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. And I got it in ash brown. I knew that was coming. Okay, and this one is also from Casey Holmes. This next 2 items. These are from Revlon. They are the Revlon High Shine Haute Brilliance Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. And these are the 2 colors that she said were her favorites, and I thought they were awesome colors too, so I went ahead and got the same colors that were her favorites. And I will show you them. I know you can see it, but I'll show you them better in a minute after I get the other one on there. And this peachy colored one is Act Natural. And then this one is Birthday Suit. Birthday Suit is the pink one. Act Natural is the peach one. Aren't they pretty? Whoops. Come on. There. So I got those two. I think I got those at Ulta too. I have to wipe these off or I will get them all over. And then when I was in line at Ulta the other day, I got another MAC Fix Plus because I was out. I just get the little ones because I usually don't use this. I use this like when I need to wet my brush and stuff. And I don't really use it for a setting spray as much because I have so many setting sprays. Okay, now at Walmart I got this brush. This is one of the Milani brushes. The Milani brushes are awesome. But this one and the fan brush were the ones I wanted, but I decided I have a pretty good fan. You know, I have this EcoTools fan brush and it's pretty good. So I decided not to spend money on another fan brush right now. But I did get this. This is the Powder bronzer brush, and I planned on using it for bronzer. It's so soft and so awesome. So, got a new brush. I also got, and this was Jessica Braun, but she got it from Emily Noel. I think Emily Noel? Yeah, I think that's what her name is. Anyways, this is the Nivea Blackberry Lip Care. And it's like a chapstick, but it has color. And she wears it with this. This is a Milani pencil, and it is in all natural. So I will swatch this. Oh, it smells good. This is blackberry. Can you see the lip liner? Now you can see it. Not very well, but that's good. You don't want to see it too much. And that's it. That's all my Black Friday stuff. So leave in the comments what you guys bought on Black Friday and what great deals. I got another thing that I will show you in the vlog because it's in the living room. It's a Christmas decoration that I bought at Hobby Lobby and I love it. I actually want to go back and get, it's two deers and a tree, and the tree's kind of small, so I want to go get the next size bigger in the tree and have them both before I show you. And I haven't been back to Hobby Lobby, and I need to go while they're still half off because they were kind of expensive. Not really, but they were more than I could afford. If I wouldn't have bought them if I had to pay full price for them because they're just decorations, right? Okay, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave me lots of comments. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!